empowering the world through innovative and accessible education.
The world of work is changing faster than ever. From self-driving cars to AI-powered customer service, artificial intelligence is reshaping every industry, creating challenges, yes, but also unprecedented opportunities. Will your job survive the AI revolution? Millions worry their roles will vanish. But here's the truth. AI doesn't have to be a threat. It can be your greatest ally. In the next 10 minutes, we'll show you exactly how to future-proof your career by upskilling with AI. First, let's set the stage. According to recent studies, roles requiring AI literacy are growing 2.5 times faster than the overall job market. By 2030, up to 30% of tasks across all industries will be automated, or at least augmented, by AI. So what does upskilling really mean? It's not just learning to code or becoming a data scientist. It's about adopting an AI mindset, understanding AI's capabilities and limits, learning how to use AI tools in your current role, and developing complementary soft skills like critical thinking and creativity that AI can't replace. Step 1. Take stock. What skills do you already have? List your technical skills, programming languages, data analysis, cloud platforms, and your soft skills, communication, leadership, problem solving. Also, note any AI-specific experience. Have you used ChatGPT, familiar with TensorFlow, know how to query a dataset with Python? Next, build a foundation. You don't need a PhD in machine learning, just grasp the basics. What is machine learning versus deep learning? How do AI models get trained? What ethical considerations are there? Free and paid resources abound, online courses, tutorials on YouTube, community meetups, even hackathons. Schedule regular study blocks. Consistency beats cramming. Theory without practice goes nowhere. Start experimenting. Use ChatGPT or Bard to automate routine writing, emails, reports, summaries. Explore low-code/no-code AI platforms like Microsoft's Power Platform or Google's Vertex AI. If you're in data, try AutoML tools to build a basic predictive model without extensive coding. Document your experiments in a portfolio. This shows employers you're not just talking about AI, you're actually using it. AI can crunch numbers at lightning speed, but it can't replicate human ingenuity, empathy, or complex problem solving. Strengthen your soft skills, creative ideation. Lead brainstorming sessions that blend human insight with AI-generated suggestions. Critical evaluation, vet AI outputs for bias, inaccuracy, or ethical concerns. Emotional intelligence. Guide teams through change and build trust around AI adoption. Don't go it alone. Join AI-focused communities. Attend local or virtual AI meetups and conferences. Contribute to open-source AI projects on GitHub. Engage on LinkedIn. Share your AI projects. Ask questions. And learn from industry leaders. Networking not only uncovers job leads, it also keeps you in rhythm with emerging trends. Meet Sarah. 2 years ago, she was a traditional marketing manager. She took an online course in AI-driven analytics, started using predictive models for campaign planning, and within a year she led her company's first AI-powered personalization project, boosting ROI by 25%. Today she's a recognized AI strategist and commands a 40% higher salary. Here's a simple roadmap. Short-term, 3 to 6 months. Complete a fundamentals course, experiment with one AI tool weekly, join an AI community. Medium term, 6 to 12 months, build a public portfolio, lead an AI pilot project at work, present at a meetup. Long term, 1 to 2 years. Mentor others, specialize in a niche like AI ethics or computer vision, and pursue advanced certifications or degrees if it aligns with your goals. AI is not coming, it's already here. By taking charge of your learning, practicing with real-world tools, and honing the uniquely human skills AI can't touch, you'll not only survive the AI revolution, you'll thrive in it. Ready to get started? Like, subscribe and hit the bell for more AI career tips?